coming with me today. I really need your help.
That's alright. I love shopping for makeup and jewellery.
I'm sort of new at this. Where should we start?
Well, what colour is your dress for the dance?
It's black.
That will look nice with your hair. Will you wear your hair up or down?
I think I'll wear it up.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Shall we go in?
You have beautiful skin, Angie.
Thanks. Most people notice my eyes first. They're light brown.
Yes, they are. Let's start with some blush here on your cheeks and some eyeliner and eyeshadow for your eyes.
What about jewellery?
I think a pearl necklace and earrings would be great. Okay, let's brush up your eyebrows. See? She's looking beautiful here.
She does look very beautiful.
Thanks for the makeup tips. One of my roommates has a pearl necklace and earrings, so I will see what they look like after my hair is put up.
Yep. What about your fingers? Sorry, Carrie, I need your chair. So, honey, what's the big occasion?
I'm going on a date tonight with a new boy. His name is David.
That's great, honey. Say, you have long, lovely fingers here. Your hands are quite lovely. What color will you use on your fingernails?
I think a bright red would be great.
On those hands, you're right. Your feet and toes are just as lovely as your hands, Angie.
I've never had so much attention in one day. My face, eyes, lips, hands, and feet look great.
Now, sweetie, what color for your toenails? Have a great evening, girls.
I'll come back next weekend and tell you about it.
Bye.
Thanks.
Angie, your hair is going to look so pretty.
I've had so much fun today getting all parts of my body worked on. The only thing I have missed is a massage.
Well, we have a person right here at the salon who can help you. They can work on your back, neck, shoulders, hands, feet, legs, and arms. You should try a massage sometime.
Thank you. That is a great idea. After all this attention, I think I'll be ready for my date. Maybe tomorrow I'll come back for a massage.
That's a good idea. You will probably be out late tonight, and will need a nice rest and a massage after your big night out.
I'm getting a little nervous. Look at my handshake. I've got to come down, or it will ruin the whole day. Carrie, this is all very exciting for me. Getting my hair done, makeup, and jewelry. It's exciting, but right now my stomach says it's time to eat.
We have time for lunch, so let's go.
My feet are already starting to hurt, so let's go to a cafe and have a sandwich.
Yeah, I'm tired, and my neck and shoulders hurt. Let's take a rest.
The makeup girl did a great job with my makeup. I can't believe this is my face.
You look great. What is your date's name?
His name is David. He's a little taller than me. Very handsome.
Yeah, he sounds very handsome.
Carrie, I've spent all day on this getting ready for the date. I bet David only has to shave, shower, and dress. He'll be ready in just half an hour.
I know.